Hi, my lovely Capricorns. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. Capricorn, so as always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? And you would also want to check the other signs in your birth chart, okay? For a better and clear understanding. So Capricorn, while I was shuffling and meditating for you guys, I have this this strongest gut feeling. I don't remember experiencing such a strong gut feeling for any of my readings so far. The feeling is that something is about to happen in your life, some life changing event, okay, something which you are not expecting, something which will take you to another level altogether. It will give a kind of 360 degrees change to your life, okay? That kind of energy and that kind of feeling I'm getting. I was feeling quite anxious about this, really very anxious. I do not foresee anything negative, but definitely some life-changing event for you guys is what I see over here very strongly. I cannot define the feeling, the gut feeling or the churning that I'm having in my belly. So if I don't know what it is, I myself have Capricorn in my charts. I am Venus Capricorn. So I am equally excited to know what's in store for me too, okay? So yeah, let's get started with your reading, guys. Let's jump into the cards and see what we get into from this tarot for you guys for month of March. Yeah. The Knight of Wands, something coming your way very speedily, guys, very speedily. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, Capricorns, what's up? I am so happy. Oh, wow. Whoa. Queen of Wands in reverse. I wonder why. Judgment. Yeah, there's another Queen of Pentacles. Hermit. Probably you guys are dealing with Virgo. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah. The Sun card is at the top of this deck. Wow, I am sure as hell taking this card because I just love the energy of that card. Four of Swords. Probably you're not in touch with someone, not communicating with someone. Okay, so we'll come back to this overall energy later on, guys. Let's get started with your actual reading. So the energy at your current position, okay, is that of Knight of Wands. Now this to me looks like someone is headed towards you very speedily, guys. I am giving a disclaimer right at the beginning. This looks like someone's personal reading to me, more of personal. If any career related messages come across, I'll let you know, but looking at the overall energy, I really feel this is someone's personal or some related to someone's relationship, okay? I'm sorry guys if you're looking for career related messages. So yeah, this Knight also is talking about someone heading towards you very speedily. This is a very passionate energy, guys. Someone is really passionate about you. Someone really wants to come into your life, and probably you're not aware of this energy right now, but this energy is flowing into your life in a very headstrong manner. It's a fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maybe you're dealing with a fellow Sagittarian or fellow a fellow fire sign basically, or you have fire in your charts somewhere, okay? But definitely a strong and very passionate and a very what do I say, something which is coming in a very strong and a very fast and very speedily basically. That's the kind of energy I'm seeing over here. The energy crossing is that of Strength card. Leo energy again, so strong fire again in your charts. Someone is gathering, someone has actually mustered courage and someone has finally decided to go for the kill. Someone is sitting in the energy like, okay, I am going and I am going to express my feelings, I am going to express my thoughts, and see what happens. Okay, let whatever happen, I mean, I'll see where it goes, that kind of energy is what I'm seeing. Just look at the energy of this knight. Okay, that knight is so much in power, so much confident, so much sure of what he or she is about to do, and see this energy. That knight has definitely thought about this, definitely mustered courage for this, and then taken the plunge is what I see over here. The energy in your recent past is that of Eight of Pentacles. Now this to me looks like your energy, Capricorns. You have been focusing on yourself, working on yourself, on achieving your goals, building your career. You are like completely focused, and you have not been looking here and there. You have like, what do I say, you have probably set certain goals for yourself in terms of career, and you are like completely focused onto that. Okay, that's what I see in your recent past. Probably not socializing also too much. Yeah. The energy, however, in the immediate future is that of Ace of Cups. Wow. Now I am really happy to see this energy, guys. Like I said, there is someone who is headed towards you in a very strong manner, and this person is going to offer you this cup, So I really feel that this is a beginning of new romantic relationship for someone, some of you guys, and this is going to be a really lovely energy, guys, full of emotions. Whoever this person is, okay, that person has a lot of emotions for you guys, a lot of genuine and true feelings for you guys, or this could be vice versa also. It could be you who has some true feelings, romantic feelings about someone, and you might go and offer those feelings to someone. You might express your heart out to someone is what I see over here in your immediate future. The energy at the subconscious level is that of Ten of Cups. Again, you guys are probably subconsciously thinking about a happy family. You are thinking about settling down now in your personal life. Okay, you are dreaming about this happy, perfect family, that perfect relationship is what I see over here. Such a lovely energy to hold this. There are certain cards in the tarot deck that I really love. Just look at this card, how beautiful that is. It's just perfect. This couple happy, the kids are happy, and everything is just perfect. Their life is like this sweet rainbow over here, and that is what you are aspiring subconsciously, guys. The energy at the crowning level is that of Queen of Cups. Now I also feel that there is a lot of water in this chart other than fire. There are three elements I see: for fire, earth, and water heavily in this reading. So either you have these elements in your chart, or the person that you are dealing with has these elements in their chart. Okay, now this is Queen of Cups. Now this is someone who is, now I feel that you guys have these feelings over towards this person whom you see as a very emotional person. Okay, this person who is very caring, this person who is who knows how to take care of herself as well as others, herself or himself. The energies can be the gender can be anything, guys. The energy is what is mattering over here. But I feel that this is someone who is really emotional person. And also, guys, you are having a lot of emotions towards this person is what I see. The person towards whom you are headed, or the person who is headed towards you, is really an emotional person, and thinks more from heart than mind is what I see over here. Lovely energy, guys. Lovely energy to see. The energy, the advice position is that of Five of Wands. Now I wonder why you are sitting in Five of Wands energy, guys. You are probably having some conflict, some battle. Let me clarify this Five of Wands. Why? I am really surprised that this Five of Wands should come in this reading. Well, guys, three cards have jumped out straight away. The Five of Wands is clarified by Five of Pentacles, Four of Swords and Six of Pentacles. Now I feel that this is some other energy over here. This is some other group of people who is experiencing some conflicts at workplace. Okay, there is some unhealthy competition at their workplace. Okay, and you guys are I feel that you guys are not in communication with someone here, because this Four of Swords had shown up earlier also while I had laid down the cards and I was seeing the overall energy. So this Four of Swords definitely wanted to come out. Now this to me looks like you guys are not in communication with someone, or someone is not in communication with you. Okay, this could be temporary, but yeah, looks like someone has left you out in cold. Okay, someone has kind of let you down. Okay, you were not expecting this behavior from someone you trusted. Okay, but that person has just left you. I feel that this is a case of I really feel that this is a case of ghosting. Okay, like someone you were talking to someone till late night today, and tomorrow that person is gone, like just disappeared into thin air. That kind of energy is what I see over here. Okay, definitely a different set of energies than than what we have seen so far. Okay, so the energy in external influences is that of Ten of Pentacles. Lovely energy, guys. Now this looks to me like coming back to the first set of people who were so religiously working on building their career. I feel that you are going to achieve your goals. You're almost there. I feel that some of you guys have invested in something big in terms of material aspects. Like some of you guys have bought a property, maybe bought a big car, invested in something, bought yourself some jewelry, something. Maybe some of you have received some money from somewhere, maybe inheritance. But yeah, I feel that there is something related to money. Okay, going on over here. Also, some give and take of money has happened over here for some of you guys, and this money is like a huge chunk. Okay, it's a huge chunk. I also feel that the energy that is coming into your lives is one that of a stable person. Okay, someone who is financially very stable, very secure. Okay, and who believes in family values is what I see over here. This definitely is related to the first group of people is what I see. In your hopes and fears, there's this Eight of Wands. Now this again is some speedy communication coming your way, guys. I would like to relate this to this Knight of Wands. This knight is headed towards you guys. Something is coming very speedily in your direction is what I strongly feel. Maybe this is the gut feeling that I was having while shuffling and meditating for you guys. Some event is going to happen in your life that is going to change your life. Okay, some communication, lot of messages being exchanged, someone traveling to see you, or you traveling to see someone. Okay, this could also mean overseas travel for some of you guys, but definitely some communication. Okay, I see that either you or that person is going to travel to see each other, and there's a lot of passion in this relationship is what I can tell you guys. I don't want to elaborate more onto that. The energy at the outcome is that of Ten of Wands. Some of you guys are coming to a closure of something. Okay, putting an end to one chapter of your life. Okay, this, since it's a sword, this is by the way, this is the only air card that has come out in this reading. Yeah, the only one. So I feel that now incidentally there is Judgment card also. So some of you guys are kind of closing one chapter of your life and headed towards another chapter. Okay, new beginnings. So I feel that those who are entering into a new relationship, I feel that probably you have had some past relationship. Okay, which has come to an end, maybe recently, or maybe a couple of months, or maybe a couple of years ago. But now it's like life is giving you another chance, life is giving you another opportunity, a new relationship. Okay, it's giving you an opportunity to enter into a new relationship, and I feel that that's going to be a really happy one, guys, a really happy one. Definitely the sun is going to shine brighter. I also feel that there are kids involved in this. Okay, either of you guys might be having kids. Okay, that is what I see over here. Yeah, definitely for some of you guys kids are involved. Okay. Now there's this Queen of Pentacles. Oops, give me a minute. There are two queens over here. Now this is interesting. Okay, this queen was in reverse, by the way. Queen of Wands was in reverse. I wonder why. Maybe someone is sitting in the energy of low confidence, because Queen of Swords upright is a very confident lady who knows what she wants, who is very sure about herself. Okay, in the reverse I feel that this is someone who is a little less confident about herself. Okay, I wonder why there are two queens. Are you guys seeing two people simultaneously? One of whom is very much confident person, okay, and one of whom is very confident and one of whom is not so confident, okay. But yeah, definitely the energy that there is this Queen of Pentacles. So there is one of these ladies who is very much stable, okay, who is very mature, okay, who is capable of taking care of herself as well as others. Wow, I just forgot three this queen also over here. Three queens in a single reading. I am just wondering what's happening, you guys. Some of you guys might be dating, okay, might be seeing multiple options. Some of you guys might be interacting with multiple people, and probably you guys will zero down onto onto a single person of this. Yeah, definitely someone is seeing and interacting with a couple with multiple prospects is what I see over here. Yeah, interesting. Hermit, Virgo energy. Some of you guys might be dealing with a Virgo. Okay, now I feel that this is you. This is you who is trying to go within, trying to introspect things, trying to get some answers, seek some answers. I feel that this is the Ten of Wands energy that has made you go into this Virgo mode, okay, in the Hermit mode, okay. This Ten of Swords, whatever this incident, whatever this closure was about, it has made you think about life in general, okay. Probably you guys have taken some time off, you are spending some time with yourself, contemplating things, trying to understand things, trying to understand the situation, why certain things happened, what lessons you need to learn, that kind of things. Self introspection is what I see over here. Interestingly, the oracle card, the contemplation time, kept on popping at least 2 to 3 times while shuffling, guys. So this is the energy that is representing that someone is definitely seeking some answers from within self, okay, and that is a good thing. I mean, if you guys are kind of spending some time contemplating, introspecting, meditating, then there's nothing like it. You will get a lot of answers like that. Yeah, let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, this card just jumped out and it had come out while shuffling also, so probably this is the card that needs to be noticed. Rest. Yeah, now this is something I really want to talk about. You have been working hard, take a nap and get some rest. Now while shuffling, when I actually had started shuffling for you guys, I was feeling really the energy of someone who has been like doing a lot of things at the same time, multitasking, okay, and someone is not even realizing that they are getting tired or exhausted. So now that this card has come down second time, I really would want to pass on this message that if this is you who has been juggling with too many tasks, please take time to rest, okay. Rest and take care of yourself, guys. Take enough rest, take naps, sleep well, okay. Don't ignore your health. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, two cards have fallen out. Whoa. I'll talk about this later. First I'll talk about this. You and your loved ones are safe. Now to whoever this is applicable, if you guys are being worrying or overthinking about your family and your loved ones, please don't worry. The universe is assuring you that everyone is safe. Everyone you love, everyone in your family is safe and taken care of. Now this card, expect powerful change. This card had flipped while shuffling also initially. So this is what I am feeling very, very strongly for you guys. Something really big is about to happen for you guys in upcoming days. Also, I would like to remind you that in tarot readings, okay, I have told in my one of my videos also, the energies, when I say immediate future, it could manifest or it could come into existence after a couple of months, okay, a couple of months down the line also, okay. So please note that even though this is a March reading, it need not be the case that it will happen in March only, okay. It might happen in April, May, June, okay, depends on person to person, but definitely things do happen, okay. So expect a powerful change, and whatever happens guys, please let me know if possible, because I am really curious what happens, because like I said, I have never felt so strong intuition or so strong gut feeling in any of my readings, any of my collective readings before, okay, the way I am feeling today for your energies. So Capricorns, I'll leave it at that. Very much exciting energy, very much something that is leaving me really curious to know what's going to happen, okay. So I really liked the tone of this reading. I hope you liked it too. If this resonates with you, please hit the like button, okay. Share it with those whom you think this reading might be applicable to, okay. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, okay guys. Also guys, in the month of March, Tarot Talks YouTube channel is completing 1 year, and I'm so happy and excited about it. So on this occasion, I am offering flat 20% off on all my readings for the month of March, okay. So please pass on the word and let the folks know about it. Okay guys, so yeah, I shall see you next month directly now. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.